What's wrong?
You got a fucking vending machine?
Yeah?
And you got all my fucking shit in it? You got my candy? You got my fucking cigarettes, my pop, my chips, motherfucker, my fucking phone! What the fuck? I'm telling you right now, you better open the motherfucker and let me take everything in that out because it's mine or I'll break the motherfucker.
I thought you would think it was cool.
Fuck no, it ain't cool. Where in the fuck did you get a fucking vending machine?
eBay.
eBay's asshole. Motherfucker, how the fuck am I supposed to get my shit out of here? How am I supposed to get it out? $2,000 fucking dollars? Who in the hell is that fucking stupid? $1,000 for a pack of fucking cigarettes?
Well, I don't smoke. I didn't know how much to put on there.
You stupid ass, you know it ain't the $1,000 fucking dollars a pack. Son of a bitch, stupid ass. $5,000 for my fucking phone? Hell, I could buy 5 of them for that fucking price.
It's an iPhone.
I don't give a shit what it is. I didn't pay $1,000 for the motherfucker. You think I'm gonna pay $5,000 for a fucking used phone at that?
It already has your contacts in it, your photos, your messages. It's a good deal.
Oh, fucking what? Pay $5,000 for my own fucking phone? Bullshit! Now get me another and they can all call me and give me the fucking numbers again. My only motherfucking dollar. Where says insert. Where the fucker is the motherfucker? Where the hell are you supposed to fucking motherfucking damn fucking ice money in it? It won't take the fucking money! Everything went the fuck out! It's mother damn dollars. Fucking dollar. There goes my fucking cigarette. I guess I'll get them for a fucking dollar. Motherfucker. Cheat your ass out of $999. You goddamn mother. I'm telling you.
Put it in there.
I'll give you I'm trying, and it ain't going. It won't take it! Won't take it, motherfucker, and I wanted them damn chips. See if this motherfucker goes this. It won't even give me my fucking dollar back! A0. Son of a bitch. Oh, damn it, motherfucker!
Quit it,
They're
Grand.
stuck! Son of a bitch! Where's my fucking change? The fuck? Motherfucking stuck and I ain't gonna get them loose.
Granny, all sales are final.
All sales are final, my ass off. Got 'em! Like fucking moving! I'm stuck, damn motherfucker. Sit here, got my pack of cigarettes, got my chips. Now I gotta figure out a way how to get my fucking phone out of there without busting that motherfucker. What's that fucking noise? Oh, son of a bitch! Motherfucker! Shelby's calling me. Now how the fuck am I supposed to answer what you stupid motherfucker? Now I can't answer her fucking phone call!
She hung up.
Motherfucker! Fuck, I got 2 calls from her, and I ain't answered either one. 'Cause you fuck not to-